actor on our list is Murphy Afolabi. Murphy Afolabi, a renowned Yoruba actor and producer, tragically passed away after he fell in his bathroom. He was born on May 5th, 1974. Murphy Afolabi was 49 years old at the time of his death. He hailed from Oroki Asala in Osogbo, Osun State, and held a diploma in theatre art and film production from Osun State Polytechnic. The actor was a loving father of 3 children, Afolabi Olamilekan, Afolabi Feti Amoyosore, and Okikiola Afolabi. Murphy's acting journey began under the guidance of veteran actor Fasi Olabakinwi Dagunro in 1998. He passed away on 14 May 2023 in his residence. While Ojo Arowo-Safe is the second actor on our list. Ojo Arowo-Safe, popularly known as Fadeyi Oloro in Yoruba cinema, succumbed to a terminal illness on March 7, 2023 at the age of 66. Followed by Femi Ogunrobi, which is the third on our list. Femi Ogunrobi, the beloved comic actor, renowned for his role as Papa Ajasko in the comedy series, passed away on January 14, 2023. Musiliu Ajikale is also one of the actors we lost in Yoruba movie industry. Musiliu Ajikale lost his battle with stroke on July 7, 2023. Nollywood filmmaker and actor Saliu Gbolagade shared the sad news on Instagram. In addition, Iyabo Oko, veterinary Nollywood actress Sidikat Odunkanwi, also known as Iyabo Oko, sadly passed away on June 29, 2023 at the age of 62. She had been battling an undisclosed ailment. And also, Chief Sunday Akanbi Akinola, which is the last actor on our list. Chief Sunday Akanbi Akinola, popularly known for his role in the Feyi Kogbon series, passed away at the age of 80. He had been suffering from kidney failure for years and had sought public assistance in 2019 to fund treatment. These actors have left an indelible mark on Nollywood Yoruba industry, and their contributions to the industry will always be remembered and cherished. May their soul rest in peace. We hope you had a fantastic time catching up on the latest entertainment news. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments by Wikidos Legend RIP. Also, subscribe to our channel. It won't cost you anything. And hit the like button to show your support. Your feedback keeps us going, and we can't wait to share even more exciting stories with you in the future. Until next time, stay happy.